Hey, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today we're going to be talking about AI presenter notes in Canva. Now, if you present a lot in Canva, one feature that you've probably just kind of glanced over are the AI presenter notes, and you can find them in the bottom left-hand side right over here. So in the past, these notes were here, and you could write little notes to kind of keep yourself on track and remember what you want to say in a presentation. This was a nice feature, but no one really used this very much, in large part because you don't want to take the time to actually type everything out. Well, the good news is now we can use AI to do this. So you'll see at the bottom there is a new option that says generate notes. So if I click this, Canva is going to automatically take the information on a slide and try to generate some notes for me. Now this is an actual script, so this maybe will work well if I'm doing an online presentation. I can actually put this in presenter mode, which I'll share with you in a second, and I can share this presentation with my audience, and the entire script is right over here. If there's ever anything that I want to change, I can just kind of edit this, and I can change this on my own. So this is something that's kind of nice, but it's more than just this, because once it generates this initial notes or these initial notes or this initial script for you, you've got some options at the bottom. Here it says actions. So the first thing I can do is, if I don't like this, I can just ask it to rewrite again. And now Canva's going to provide me with a second option for this. Now, I may be thinking, well, this script is great, but I don't want to read directly off my notes, but I would like bullet points. So what you can do now is select this option, shorten notes. And Canva will take that same script, and now it's going to shorten those notes for me. And from here, if this was me, I'd probably just put some notes on a different line, kind of like that. Okay, let's go to a brand new page. Let me just kind of take this one. I'm going to generate these notes, and I'll show you some other things you can do once these notes are generated. Okay, so again, I've got the actual script here. This is the scripted presentation that I have right over here. Now I can select that option, and I have some extra options, more fun. This is now going to rewrite the notes for this page in a format that may be more fun, may be more engaging to the audience that I deliver. So you can see before it was kind of formal. Now it says, let's jump headfirst into the thrilling world of brand building. And you can see some of the options on here. First up, carve out your one-of-a-kind niche, your secret sauce in a sea of sameness. So again, you may not want to use this, but it may be helpful to give you some ideas. Now let's try the last option, and that's the option for more formal. Okay, so now if I select more formal, it's now going to take that same script or those same notes, just make it a little bit more formal, not as many of those cliches that you saw a second ago. Okay, so one thing is you are limited to 5,000 characters, but that's still probably more than you'll need, especially if you're just going to be generating notes. So what I'm going to do is just click on some of these slides. I'm just going to generate a couple more notes. I guess I have to stay on the slide while I generate them. Okay, I'm going to close this now. Let's see, do I have one for here? Let me just generate these notes. So I have about 4 slides with notes in this presentation. Now the question is, well, how do you present with those notes on the screen so you can read them? This is a little bit of a tricky situation. You are going to need multiple monitors, okay? So one monitor is going to be for your slides, and one monitor is going to be your presenter view. So if I select present right over here at the top, you can see if I just do full screen, it's just going to take my screen and turn this into a presenter view. So my screen that you're looking at right over here is my presentation. Now there's no way for me to be able to get those notes up here. You can see there's some other options, but the presenter notes are not going to show up in this view. So the view that I have to share this with, again, I'm going to go back up to present, but this time I'm going to choose presenter view. Okay, now when I do presenter view, look at this. I'm just going to select allow. Okay, it's going to give me 2 different views. This is going to be our audience view. So the audience view is going to be what I will put on the view that my audience is seeing. So if you're presenting, you may have to extend your desktop Okay, I'm just going to drag this right over here. Here is my presenter view. This is what I'm going to see, and take a look at this. Now, my window is on my other monitor, right? I extended this, and my notes are right over here. So this is what I can do. I can also take this and just kind of make that a little bit smaller. And now I'm looking at my notes and the slide that I'm on right down here. I also have those same options that I would normally have if I were presenting that with just my one monitor, right? That will work. You can see the time of the presentation, that sort of thing. So I'm going to create a second video on using the presenter screen, but just know these are some awesome options. And with that being said, this video is just about done. Just sharing the really helpful feature of being able to generate presenter notes with AI. I think this is going to be something that's really helpful for you as a presenter. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is the type of content that you like, feel free to like this video, leave a comment, or if you really want to support me, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.